L3MINI.matrix free external row of tutorials. Operation demo. First, upgrade the platform and L3MINI host to the latest version. Click Start Startup. Long press the menu button. Enter the settings page. Free to switch between Chinese English. New function can detect 13到14 series lighting problems. Connect the relevant devices. Connect the Luban platform. After successful connection, click to activate, synchronize and save data. After successful activation, replace the dot matrix external cable. Click Write Backup. Power bind successfully. Installation test.